Here's our little Goldendoodles. Just got their eyes open. I've got boys and I've got girls. I've got light and I've got dark. They will be 8 weeks old on September 8th. They come with registration papers. They had their dew claws done, and they have their shots. They will have their shots and dewormed, collar, toy, bag of food. They are here in my home in Arvada. This is their first day out on the grass, so I'm not sure if they know what to think about this. You guys don't know what to think about that grass, do you? What is going on with grass, huh? What is going on with grass? So here's one of our lighter ones. And then here's one of our darker ones. They're still real tiny babies. They just recently got their eyes open, so the world is all kind of new right now. Goldendoodles make wonderful pets. They love everybody. They're super smart. They learn quick. They want to please. Little babies, what's going on? What did I do to you, bring you out on this grass? Huh? What did I do bring you on the grass? What is the grass about? Huh? Oh, you guys are so tiny yet. You're tiny babies, huh? Yeah. Not sure what to think about this grass stuff, huh? Goldendoodles are very kind, pleasant. They love to play with people and kids and other animals. These are just 6 of them. I've got another 6. They're with Mom right now. There are 7 girls and 5 boys. I do have deposits on the first boy and first 2 girls, but I have boys and girls available. They will be ready to go home on September 8th. And they're just wonderful, wonderful dogs. They're just tiny babies right now, kind of hanging with the gang. Not sure what I'm doing to them out here. Are you not sure what I'm doing to you, huh? In another week you'll love it out here. In another week you'll be running. Yeah, you'll be running out here. Yeah. Such sweet babies, such sweet babies. Where are you gonna go, huh? Where are you gonna go? Oh, you wanna come up here with me? Yeah, you guys are cuddlers, aren't you?